In a Local 23 News exclusive, one Mission family wins a legal battle in court this morning, allowing the family to cut down a barbed wire fence that was blocking their only exit to their property. Our Mike Jimenez has all the details.
Today, a judge signed a restraining order in which he ordered that fence that had been blocking these people, had been held them captive for the last 3 days, that it be removed.
With a court order in hand, Jose Reyes and family, along with a group of supporters, took down that barbed wire fence. We are very happy, especially with all the support that we have received from people, from authorities, and from the judge for giving us the immediate order. The Reyes family is fighting back after earlier this week they awoke to a barbed wire fence blocking their only exit, trapping them and their vehicles. Children who live at the home were not allowed to cross the fence to go to school. The Reyes family purchased a piece of land from seller Armando Acevedo, and we're in the process of purchasing an adjacent property from him as well. In 2015, the family drafted a contract along with Acevedo for the second property through a notary public, paying Acevedo a $20,000 deposit and agreeing to pay nearly $1,700 a month for the next 30 years. Reyes claims Acevedo told him he was taking the property back because the taxes were past due, but that is false.
I've reviewed all the documents. I've reviewed the contract. I have where they made all their payments, and there's absolutely zero reason for this man to do what he did.
The property in question has apartments, and Acevedo even moved himself into a vacant apartment. While we were there, Acevedo arrived to the apartment, and I asked him about the legal order. Okay, that is fine. We will fix this here shortly. I don't have any more comment right now. I'm in a legal order, and when the sheriff comes, we will sort it out. A sheriff's deputy did arrive on scene. Acevedo was officially served with the order, and he left the property. Attorney Jesus Villalobos says they will now be heading to court in early June.
We will be proceeding with the lawsuit, and we will be seeking damages for all the damages that have been caused to these people in connection with the constitutional rights that have been violated and the fact that they were essentially falsely imprisoned for the last 2-3 days.
Reyes and his wife are undocumented and say Acevedo has tried to scare and intimidate them because of their status, and he wants others to not let themselves be taken advantage of and speak up without fear. This is an example that it is possible. If all things are right legally, people can look for legal help like we did with our attorney, Jesus Villalobos. In Mission, I'm Mike Jimenez for KVO Local 23 News.